Alright, what is up everyone? Today we are taking apart this Bose Soundlink Mini 2. So it's an okay speaker. I've removed the battery already, this is it. The battery won't charge again, it just won't charge anymore, and I don't feel like replacing it because you can always buy like a $10 Bluetooth speaker at Walmart, which I would do. Now the next step is to remove the grills actually. We're just taking this apart piece by piece and laying them out on this table, okay? Move my cup aside. Now, next thing is to remove the grills, which I am going to use hang on, where'd it go? There it is. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver. I've dropped something. We are going to take this apart until we are down to the aluminum frame. Okay, we've got the bottom cover off, and now flathead screwdriver. Let's get one of those. I'll go with that size. Now, do not use this as a repair guide because I am not repairing this in any way. The grill is already bent and deformed. They already warned me about this on iFixit. All credit to them, thanks. Here's the grill, looks quite nice, it has Bose on it. You're gonna straighten that, I got cut. You're gonna straighten that back out. All right, there are the speakers. Wow, that's a lot of movement you can do. Now, I'm not really quite sure what the next step is. There's the passive subwoofer. Oh yeah, remove the rear grill. Get your screwdriver lodged in there. And be sure not to bend and, oh, already broke the rubber seal. Be sure not to bend and deform this grill if you're trying to repair it. But I told you, don't use this as a repair guide because it's not. It's a disassembly guide to take it apart piece by piece. Lay it out there. And that. Beautiful. Now, we have a circuit board on the back, and that is to control the ports right here, the USB and the, what you call it, the audio port, the aux jack, past the aux. Alright, we're going to use a T8 screwdriver. Yep, that's the correct one. And remove 4 screws to get this out. 1. It's quite a long screw. Put that in my parts tray, obviously, and collect the other 4 screws that I removed to remove the battery, which was obviously the first step. Quite a weird way to unscrew stuff, but this is the fastest way. It might hurt your arm a little bit. But this is still really nice how it's put together. So how is that mounted? Oh, don't want to break it. So this also holds the dock connector. I'm gonna check something out. How is it installed? How on earth do they install that? Okay.
Let me see.
I see. I'm not entirely sure. Once installed, I don't want to break anything. Hang on. Cut the video right there for a second. Okay, so now I read the guide again on my computer. No, not the one in front of me, the other computer. And it says to remove these other 3 screws. Gee, I haven't done a disassembly video in a long time. Feels good to be back. I was going to use this as a wired speaker just because it doesn't charge, but I just realized when I removed the battery, which is soldered in for some reason, the terminals are soldered in to the board. It doesn't work without the battery, so that's quite weird. Laptops work without the battery. Well, at least most of them do. You know what? Forget the screwdriver. It's hurting my wrist. You know what I'm switching to? The $33 Black & Decker drill I got from Target. You can see that. You can see the sparks. You know it's powerful. Alright, now I want to undo this cable. Uh-oh. Okay, that's fine. I didn't break it. It looks broken. It's not. There it is. I'm going to peel that off. There it is. It's not broken. And I'll peel the rest of it off the connector. Constantly checking the viewfinder in my camera, iPhone X, to see if everything's in frame. This connects everything up like that. There it is, quite simple construction. Now, the whole thing is sort of just removable. Everything is sealed in via rubber gaskets because that's how it gets all that, you know, the sound. That's how it gets that good bass this speaker, well, at least once produced. Hang on. Peel this through. There it is. Now I'm going to remove this rear passive subwoofer. Look at all that travel. The same T8 screwdriver, Torx. Uh-oh, dropped that screw somewhere, all right. Alright, so here is the passive radiator. Right there. It's very nice, Bose quality. But that battery isn't exactly quality if it's not replaceable. Yeah, that's just kind of my philosophy. Now, just kind of put together like a, should I say block of Lego? No, not a block of Lego. Well, it's kind of put together like a, everything's kind of put together like Lego, but here's the thing, it's kind of put together like, I don't know, those gift boxes you'd find. How do I remove that? Cut the video. Okay, so, went back to the guide, and I will need my handheld screwdriver once again, and I will get a flathead screwdriver to drop in there. says lift up on that. Because there will be a cable. And sure enough, there is. So that guide is not lying. How is that connected? Oh, there's a clip on one end. Alright, there it is. Here is, I think, is that an amp? I don't know, tell me in the comments. Is this the amplifier? Kinda looks like one to me, but yeah. Tell me if I'm wrong. Alright, this is kinda coming loose. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to remove the speakers. Wait. What? Time to remove the speakers. 8 screws once again. Medium length. Uh-oh. There's another way. Now it is. Okay. Give it a little nudge from the back, pushing on both speakers like that. Then it should just fall right out. Sure enough, it does, but there's a clip holding in the wire for some reason. And there's this, which is just connected via a small connector that will line up with the one on the main board, which I will now remove because it's free. And there are the buttons you press to, I don't know, answer a phone call or something. And now here's something else. I'm gonna peel that right off by pressing on it. It's the logo that says Soundlink Mini 2. I might put that, I don't know, stick it somewhere. Oh no, let's hold on to that for a sec. Alright, like I said, we tore this down straight down to the aluminum frame. But we are not done. Oh no, we are not. We also have the speakers to remove and the other passive radiator. There's the speakers, very nice. One, they're actually quite small. And quite nice too. Could build something with it. Now, removing the passive radiator, 4 of these T8 Torx screws. Every single screw on this speaker is a T8 Torx screw. Okay, here's the other passive radiator. And now, like I said, I'm gonna lay everything out and explain what it is. That's one nice aluminum frame. So, okay, let's start with the easiest thing. This, I really don't know what it does. It's just the circuit board. It holds everything together, powers everything. That powers everything is the battery. This does all the work converting audio from your computer or from your phone into audio these speakers can play. These, of course, are the speakers. They are quite small. If I'm going to measure them, let me do that. I will tell you the size of the speakers. Inches, centimeters. It is about 1.5 inches across and 2 inches diagonal, roughly. So, I'm in the US, I do inches. So, aside. Speakers covered, both of them about 2 inches diagonal, 1.5 across. That is the sticker that shows the logo. That is also those are buttons. Those are the passive radiators which give that extra oomph, the extra bass, you know. And these are just brackets that hold them in to this, which is the aluminum frame. It's actually a really nice aluminum frame. This is just the bottom cap, actually a cover to cover the battery, which is this. This is the rear grille. Oh, it's magnetic. And this is the front grille. You know that because it says Bose on it. And these are just rubber gaskets that go between the grille and the inside of the speaker to hold in all the sound that will go through these radiators instead of just out to the world. Is that a magnet? No, it's just metal. It's just made of metal. You hear that? Yeah, that's metal. So, yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Also, these are all screws. That's a lot. I'm happy I had my drill to help. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button, which is over there. And also the like button, which is also over there. The like button's a thumbs up button. The subscribe button is red color with the word subscribe on it in white color. Yep. Peace out.